Hello, Barry Anderson with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Look at this one, guys. This is MNTS, okay? Why I really want to point this out is look what the SPY is doing. The SPY has been just hit hard completely. This is since 1245. Look what this stock has been doing since then. 1245, right around here. It had right there. And it is moving higher, higher, and higher. We always talk about wanting to capture alpha. Alpha is, stocks that don't care what the rest of the market's doing, within reason, and don't care what their own sector is doing. This is a classic example of an alpha stock, MNTS. Doesn't care what the market's doing. The market can, keep moving down, 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 and this stock keeps moving higher and higher. So I thought I'd like to point that out today as a great example of how to capture alpha. This came in one of my momentum scans and actually on a 10-day daily breakout also, so a couple of scans, and it keeps moving higher and higher and higher. All right, guys, I want to get back in the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.